Hey guys, I am so excited that you are here with me today. Thank you so much for your patience and thank you for joining today's workshop. $140 million of CRO tests. And today we are unlocking our CRO test vault for the very first time ever. I'm going to explain everything during this session and I cannot wait to share what we've been building with you. So let's jump straight into it. First and foremost, a quick word from one of my favorite all-time marketers online. You will all be aware of the godfather of e-com, Ezra Firestone, who had this to say about ConversionWise and myself. He said, Oliver Kenyon have now made my brands in excess of $4 million in additional revenue. And I've finally found an agency that I believe I'll be with for the rest of my career because they are that good. And that was an incredible moment for me and my business. First, who's ready? Who's ready to get into this workshop? Who's ready for me to show you the CRO test vault, the $140 million of winning tests? If you're watching live, smash the like button, comment below. Let me know that you're excited. Let's go. So quickly, a results disclaimer. You are not going to make an additional $4 million in revenue. You may not double your revenue per visitor or profit like we did for Ezra. You will 100% not see any results if you don't take action. But you will uncover conversion gaps costing you sales. You will get proven frameworks tested on millions of visitors. And you will unlock 10 to 30% more profits from your existing traffic. So who is this for? This is for anyone selling anything online, whether it's B2B, B2C, e-com, software, drop shipping, service-based businesses, anyone using or willing to move to Shopify, and anyone looking to improve their online sales. I'm about to reveal what no one else has access to. It's time to show you our secret test vault. Over $140 million in winning optimizations, and how you can take full advantage of our data to skyrocket your business. But first, let me answer the 3 most asked questions. Question number 1, do I need a lot of money? And the answer quite simply is no. There's no need for an additional apps or software. There's no freelancers or developers needed. There's no additional ad spend needed. None of these apply. Take Thor, for example. He was lucky enough to test ConversionWise's new product that we're talking about, and he instantly saw a big increase in profitability without any extra costs, no apps or third-party services. Question number 2 we get asked a lot. Do I need to sell a specific product? It's a fair question, but the answer is no. It works for any product or vertical. It's proven across hundreds of niches, physical or digital, it doesn't matter. Martin was blown away when he worked with us by the results. He actually saw a 40% improvement in conversion rate to his funnels, which for them was massive. For anyone, guys, for you, that would be a massive result. And question number 3, do I need a lot of time? It's a fair question. A lot of people don't have a lot of time, so do you need a lot of time? Well, the answer again is no. You're leveraging 12 years of our CRO data, thousands of proving winning tests, and other people's time, money, and mistakes. Listen to Chris. After installation, it took just hours to get up and running. It was very easy to use, and the results are already rolling in a matter of hours. So are you ready to see $140 million in winning tests? Are you ready to see what that looks like? Again, smash that like button, comment below, let me know that you are ready. Introducing ConversionWise, my conversion rate optimization agency. We have spent 12 years mastering CRO, working with the biggest brands online, developing stores for the biggest names in the world across every vertical you can imagine. And we consistently get big results. Time and time again. In 2024, we ran ongoing CRO for over 135 brands, and we consistently saw the same problems. Most brands had what we call a leaky bucket. They were spending all their money on paid ads, but their Shopify theme just wasn't converting. So they weren't making good enough profits. We then optimized their Shopify theme with CRO and effective conversion rate optimization, and they started to make a lot more profit. That's why CRO is the most profitable lever online. We launched over 3,000 optimizations in 2024 alone. And these were the results. You can see $140 million in additional revenue. We had 884 winning tests. We had over 2,000 losing tests. And we had a very respectable winning test rate of 27.5%. Each winning test got recorded in our secret test vault, along with hundreds of others from the past 12 years. For each test, we record the name, the hypothesis, the page, the section of the page we ran the test on, the type of test that we ran, the category of the test, the monthly revenue increase or revenue per session change, and so much more. And one day, I was analyzing our vault. Then I had my eureka moment. Something clicked. I realized the same winning tests were repeating again and again across industries, audiences, and brands. What if we could get those proven repeating winning tests into the hands of every brand faster, easier, and at a fraction of the cost? Right now, to get results like these, you spend months researching your data, you spend weeks crafting hypotheses, you invest thousands running A/B tests, and that's before you've even implemented any winners. And to be honest, you might not even have that data in the first place to test. But what if we could skip all that? What if you could start with the perfect framework, already proven to convert from day one? That idea sparked something big. And tomorrow, I'm going to reveal exactly what we built and show you how every one of our winning tests can now be launched with a simple drag and drop. Everything you've seen today was the why. Tomorrow, I'll show you the how. So join me tomorrow for part 2, 140 million winning tests reveal. So I'm going to show these tests. I'm going to look at the first look at what we've actually built. I cannot wait to share this with you. We're going to open that test bowl. We're going to show you exactly what we've built. This drops tomorrow, the 3rd of December at 12 p.m. Eastern. You will get an email notification at that time. Make sure you're checking your emails. Make sure you're checking your inbox. Click the link and join me for part 2 tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. I cannot wait to share this all with you tomorrow. I will see you on the workshop tomorrow. Thank you again.